Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I keep saying a new day on the vlog. My name is Grant, also known as Guy with the Red Nikes. If you're new here, we do lifestyle, we do content, we do fitness, lifestyle content, but we do fitness, we do lifestyle, we do well, we're trying to get into car reviews, but we will get there one day. The other day, I posted that I reached 10k cubbies, saying thank you to you guys. But turns out I've actually reached 11k. So thank you for 11k. But that's not going to be the title of this video. We're just gonna go run now. And it's a weekly vlog, so come with me on the week. And yeah. So I should intro now before that.
What is the problem? Baby, why you wasting time? Just for you to tell me what you feel inside. Tell me what is on your mind. What's up, pick up the phone. I'm calling, don't even bother. Is it me or
So there's this YouTuber, he's from Joburg, and he's quite big, and he's made a good name for himself in like South Africa, like the African countries, regarding his content and everything he does. And it's funny, his content was very funny because it was original, it was making fun of our culture and stuff. I get your, like, everybody's desire to grow, and yes, a lot of us that I can speak for myself. I'm inspired by vlogging from the States, and I've always seen vlogs from the States, like vloggers from the States, show their lives, be open to the camera. Oh, wrong gear. Sorry guys, I don't have a comment, man. And that's what always inspired me to vlog, but I don't copy, so I do it in my own way. I do it how I want to do it, because I think that's what makes content original, and that's what maybe gravitates people towards it. Nonetheless, but the reason why I'm talking about this is this guy, he started this new series on his channel, and he does awkward dates. So now, in the aspect of South Africa, he's famous, and I just think the aspect of awkward dates is, it's good, but he's trying to copy a lot of the original creator, which is an American, and she did it with like Drake and all that, and it was very awkward, and it made headlines because it's awkward. It's the first time they met her, they don't know her, she's really committing to it, like she's awkward, like it's good, it's funny, and it's relatable, and it's original. Him on the other hand, he's copying her, so he knows the guests, he knows the celebrities, because they're always at events, they're always around each other, so like it's not awkward, they know each other, man. Yeah, I think that's where we feel as South Africans, or I shouldn't say that, that's quite problematic, but I think that's where we shouldn't copy, we should just make it our own. Yeah, just my little tip for that for today. Guys, we can't make this up, not planned at all. I just came to run and homegirl showed up. I didn't show you guys the running because why didn't I show you? I had an excuse. I don't want. So I didn't show you guys the me running. If you guys would like to see my running adventure, please go visit my Living Well page. I'll put it up here and then you can see it. It's the latest reel I posted, so go and check it out. Give a follow, give a like, comment and subscribe. Do it for both. Do it for this and do it for that, okay? So it is so weird to see Robin here, but it is so nice. I actually had a feeling she would come, eh? Well, I was gonna phone her, but then I don't know, I just felt like a run, you know? Get it done with. But anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later.
What is the problem? Baby, why you wasting time? Just for you to tell me what you feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new day on the vlog. I just did some errands, so I had to go drop off 2 pots that I brought from my parents brought from America for like the Future Flyers guy that owns a place. He was building a car, so like because we were there, he asked us to bring some pots. I'm gonna go drop that off. I'm gonna go home now and I'm gonna go apply for jobs and then go around later. So yeah, come with me for another week vlog. And also thank you for, I'm gonna need 12k subscribers. I cannot believe it, cannot believe it, cannot believe it. YouTube still doesn't want to monetize me, but that's okay. That's okay, that's their beef. We're gonna be fine. Anyway, see you guys later.
The collaboration is to educate the Black community on the
not just the joke about honey.
Caroline saying that you're
It's not for her to go and tell everybody that Sergio saw your female anatomy. I definitely did not say it the way she's repeating.
Hey guys, so new day on the vlog. Not going to do much. Just came to pop in by Robin.
You get it?
Guys, I like
doesn't like
my
those
ex-friend.
No, that's not what I said.
It was nice of her to want to have that conversation alone. She has said prior to filming, anybody ever talked about me, tell me. I never said that, but oh yes. Oh
No.
yes.
Okay, all right. Brooks, Melissa from Dayton says you started watch back that dinner argument between Celine and Brooks. Was it what you expected to see?
In the desert, I was telling Brooks to apologize to Celine. About what?
Because I clearly was coming from a good place and telling you that, and I wanted to move forward, and you said there is no move.
So I was kind of just telling Robin, I'm not sure what day is like a good day to post. Kind of should look at my stats, but I want to make it more consistent because I really enjoy making weekly vlogs because it like you get more content and you get more substance in the vlog, and you get to show more. I keep saying but I don't know what day, so if you guys can comment what day is good, so I can just have good viewership, and that'll be helpful. Oh my word! I can kind of put it here, but yes, I just reached 12k this morning, so that little breakfast is kind of like a celebration. I'm happy that I'm growing, and the last 3 videos are also doing quite well. I just need you guys to comment, like say something nice, so it gives encouragement, and it also like allows you to create more because you know what the audience wants. Otherwise I'm just gonna create what I think is cool, and then you guys don't necessarily like it. But yeah, I'm driving, so I'll catch up with you guys again later. Hey guys, I'm gonna go and run. I'm just packing my bag.
Guess it's been a while. Thinking around was so good for my health. Can't look you in the eyes no more. Maybe I'm out of control. Back in your vortex. Can't stop the world.
I really hate parking here. Oh my god. These taxis we are always parked, man, so I don't want to park there. So this is the safest option. Hi guys, welcome back to a new day on the vlog. It is Thursday, the 38th of... Sorry, Thursday the 19th. Oh wait, it's itchy. No. I just ran in Newlands Forest, and then me and Robin's gonna have a coffee at that coffee place over there. Yeah, I'm just waiting on her because she's still walking, and then yeah, we're gonna go indulge in a cup of coffee outside of the house. We're gonna go back, I think have breakfast, and see how the day goes. I think I'm gonna do a twofer. When I say a twofer, I mean I run in the morning and I run in the afternoon after the lift. So yeah.
What's the passion fruit, please? Give me passion fruit and ice.
Yeah, passion fruit.
Fresh passion fruit. It's syrup. Puree.
Okay.
But it's nice though. Trust me. Trust me.
But it's filled with sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try it. That and a cappuccino, please.
Oh wait, no, the coffee freeze rather.
You want a coffee freeze?
Yeah.
Okay, not the cappuccino, the freeze, the passion fruit
Passion
freeze,
freeze.
and the what?
Coffee freeze.
The coffee freeze, please.
Robin, what are we gonna do this?
We don't get drunk.
What is that? Is that a coleslaw or is it just a pumper?
That's what I do for kissing. Are you recording?
Yes.
You better,
Wow.
you better not put that in. But I think it was there, man. And I just popped it, like I scratched it this morning. It definitely. You know, I can completely get lost in the mountain.
Yeah. So Robin's adding a passion fruit freeze. Does it have caffeine in it?
Nope.
Taste it for the camera.
You know, I'm not a caffeine girl. Oh my gosh, it's so
Nice.
good. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
I thought I was going to be disappointed.
Okay, nice. And then I got the
Coffee freeze.
yeah.
More true.
Oh.
And you and my glasses when we are done. You broke my favorite pair of pink.
We are back at Robin's house. And we eat.
Side effect of Ozempic is always crying.
Yeah, or something that you introduced me to.
Did you just expect Celine to be your mouthpiece? This is
My mouth? No, I don't want to speak to you. That was you bitch. For you.
I really need to get a mount stand, like a car stand, because it's such a nice view. But yes, I'm on my way back home now from Robin. I'm probably gonna edit this vlog and yeah, see what the day leads. I don't feel like running again tonight, but I want to. I really need to, because my friend's wedding is like next week and I need to let liquor. So I just ran the comments. I did my 2 for today. I stopped at the shop to get me a Pellegrino. I like this, like I really love these, but they're so expensive though. This is the end of the vlog. It's not the greatest, but you know what, we're pushing content, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like, you subscribe, you leave a comment, and yeah, enjoy the vibes with me. I love the song. Let's go.
Keep in mind this was fun. It's keeping you around. What's so good from my head? I can't look you in your eyes no more. Baby, all I can fly by myself. Before you came, I didn't need nobody. All the parts of my world was solid, but it world to you. Broken my fly by myself. Before you came, I didn't need nobody. All the parts of my world was solid, but boy,